is Maria Luneva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, with dance tutorial with Ed Sheeran, with the beautiful bachata songs, I Don't Care. Let's go. Okay, we start. We start from hip, 2, 3, touch. And go 1, 2, 3, touch. And we do 2 turns forward. 5, 6, step and touch. Let's go again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you can do 2 turns, do only 1. It's okay. Yes. Again, with the hands. My right arm, do it this. 1, fingers. 2, 3, open, 4. And here, I will go, when I do turn, my hands go up. Yes, I will do 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Let's go again from the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, my arms go down when I do basic to the right. I will do 1 and 2 and back, 3 and 4. Yes. Here, I will do turn, 5, turn, 6, roll, 7, 8. Yes. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. My right arms do this. 5 to the left side on my face. 5, then 6. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again from the top. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yes, my row, hip with my arm. 7, 8. It's very beautiful. Yes, be clean here. Okay, let's go continue. Okay, here, my left hand in my chest, and when I do basic to the right, my hands do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will do 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I will do roll my hip and roll my head. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Right hand here, left here in the stomach. Yes. You go again. We go. Turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Then we go to the back. Basic. 1, 2, 3, turn, 4. Yes. And my fingers do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And here we do and here we do our hair. We'll do to the left, left. See you in a mirror. Right. See you in the mirror. Yes. 2 times. Again. 5, 6. Yes. 7 and 8. My right arm go up. Yes. In the fingers like this. Yes. Very straight. Yes. Okay. From the top. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 7, and go, no, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Let's go. Okay, here we do very, very powerful. Do this. 1. Yes, and head do 1. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to diagonal. Yes, and here we do footwork. Left leg. 5 and 6 and 7. Yes. And here, my right leg do this. Ha. Yes, and I'm the turn. 7, 8. Yes. Again. We go. 1, 2, 3, touch. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yes. 8, go. 1. Yes. My arms, when I do footwork, I will do my arms like this. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And here I will do inside. Yes. And here I will do 1. Like a circle, like a sun. Oh, yay. I will do 1, 2, and my arm do this. 4. Again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and here my hips do 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay, again. From the here. With very strong hands. 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, touch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. We turn and we do this. 1, 2, and my hands do this. 3, 4. 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, back. 3, 4. And 5, 6, step, touch. Yay, again. 1, 2, 3, touch, wave, ta, ta. And here I will do hand back, and I will do it. 2, 3, 4, and I will go up, my hip. 5, 6, my arms go here to my body. 5, 6, 7, change your leg. Yes, I need the right leg here now. Okay, continue. Here we go. I will do 1, 2, my love part. 3, 4. Yes, I will turn to the left and my hands do it like this. 5, 6, 7. Ha! Yay. Okay, again. Here we go. We do this, the wave, and just go up and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. Step. 1. Left leg back. 2, 3. Step. 4. And here I will do very interesting move. I do circle to the left with my hip and up, down, up, touch. 3 times. Again. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn, turn, turn. Footwork. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 4. Down, up, down, touch. Here we go. It's completely finished. Okay, continue. I will do 1. Turn to the left. 2, 3, 4. My arms go up. And here I will do 5. Yay. 6. Kick, ball, change. Okay, again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 8. Yes, we do footwork. I will do 1, back, touch, ta, 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 back. Yes. And the last move, I will do 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. That's it. Okay, from the top, let's go. 5, 6, you're very good. And let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Down. 2, 3, up, go. Turn. 6 and 7 on 8. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. No, no, no. 2, 3, 4. Go. 5, 6 and 7. Your hand up and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Hand and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 7 on 8. We go. 1, 2. My hands go. Boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3. Touch. Go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3. Up. Go. 7 on footwork. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and ha, 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 ha. Boom. Yay! Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to me in Instagram. I love you so much. And dance, 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 bachata.